Welcome to 3D printing, a technology that only looks new. In this presentation, I'll be talking about the history, current uses, the future, and even the downsides of 3D printing. 3D printing was actually invented in 1984 by Charles Hall. He invented something called stereolithography, where plastic is put into a vat and hardened by light to create unique shapes. Fast forward about 10 years, and 3D printing has come a long way. They're even considering 3D printed organs to put into patients. Starting in 2004, we saw that 3D printers and CAD software was becoming more accessible and open source. Finally, in 2014, former President Barack Obama mentioned 3D printing in the State of the Union address, making it a proverbial nail in the coffin of 3D printing popularity. So now that we know the brief history of 3D printers, what are we actually using them for today? Today, 3D printing is thriving in places like schools, libraries, and universities. I know personally I have a 3D printer in my classroom, and my students love to make digital models into physical objects to take home and have keepsakes forever. How about in the medical field, where we use it in dentistry, prosthetics, and even surgery to create accurate scans for patients? Finally, in manufacturing. Consumer marketing, production, and small businesses all use 3D printing to rapidly prototype and create personalized and custom products for their market. So, what is the future of 3D printing? One potential future is in construction. What if when we need a new building, we got to print it out of concrete or other printable materials? Or how about in culinary, where if you go to a restaurant, your favorite cake, chicken dish, or even pasta is 3D printed, custom made to order. Finally, how about in manufacturing, where the shirt you're wearing, the couch you're sitting on, or maybe even your computer can be 3D printed cheaply and much quicker. All this and more is possible with 3D printing. So are there any drawbacks to 3D printing? Sadly, yes, and one of the biggest ones is plastic. Because plastic is already a big problem with global climate change, adding to that problem by making 3D printing even bigger could be a huge issue. Thank you for learning about 3D printing.